Hey guys, oh my god, I can't believe today has finally come. I've been waiting for this day for the longest time. You have no idea. I'll talk more about it in a second. I just need to go right now because I'm running a little bit late thanks to traffic. I love it. So I gotta go, but I'll talk to you guys very soon.
Okay, so relax. I'm smiling. Okay, so Claudia, I'm gonna tell you something about the under eye, okay?
Yes.
So with filler, for under eyes, so if you have darkness from hollow, that's when fillers help. But if it's just straight up pigmentation, it doesn't really do much.
Yeah.
Like I mean, it helps, but it doesn't completely get rid of the pigmentation.
Yeah.
But you do have some hollowing, so we can treat that.
No, just kidding. I know I do.
Yeah, so we can treat that area.
Awesome.
And this is like, it's not going to be dramatic, but it will help. So if you take a look in the mirror, you're going to get something like this.
Awesome.
It's very, very subtle though.
Okay.
And you'll be happy with
my
that.
cheeks are red right now. Yes, just as long as you put something in there, I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
It's just bad. Like I have to put on like 4 layers of concealer and still.
Okay, yeah. Because is it the hollowness that bothers you? Yeah. So you do have hollowing, so we can treat the under eye. Okay.
Okay. Awesome.
But you do have a little bit of pigmentation, and it does help with pigmentation, but not 100%. But definitely for the hollows.
Okay.
It will.
I know, it's so annoying. Like I can always see it. Like no matter what, no matter like what kind of makeup I do or anything, I can always see it, and it's so annoying. So I'm so glad to be here. You have no idea.
Yeah. And have you ever had fillers before?
Just on my lips.
Just in your lips?
Yes.
Okay. Just in that
Nowhere
area.
else,
And there was no complications or anything?
No.
Okay. So we'll get started. I'm gonna clean you off.
Okay.
I'm gonna numb you, and then we'll get started with the
Sounds
treatment,
good.
okay? With filler, bleeding, bruising, swelling, that's all normal side effects. So the biggest risk with filler would be skin necrosis. So that happens when there's a vascular occlusion. That means filler was injected into a blood vessel. So it blocks the blood supply. But there is something called hyaluronidase that can reverse it.
Okay.
So you gotta be aware of any symptoms like blanching, bruising and mauling form, and like excruciating pain. Or if you find that anything feels weird, just let us know. Give us a call. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna clean you off, and then we're gonna get started. Okay.
Awesome. Yay. Oh my god, that is freaky. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah. Just keep your eyes closed.
That was big.
Don't worry, it's okay. The numbing cream helps.
I'm not even like scared of
Can you
needles.
put your bum all the way back?
Yes. But that one's so close to my eye. That would freak me out.
We have like little stress balls if you want them.
It's okay.
You're okay? Okay.
Mama did it right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna poke you. Does that feel okay?
Yeah. Just a little pinch.
So with cannula, it's not really painful, but it's a strange feeling.
How's it feeling? You're good?
really does feel weird. It feels
Yeah,
like there's
right?
little ants just walking inside my skin. It's not bad though. It doesn't hurt.
That's good.
Good.
I'll show you what it's starting to start so far.
Oh my god. It feels like my eyes.
You know what? There's numbing in here.
Oh, okay. I was like,
So it's very subtle, but
I definitely see it, yeah. But now I see what you mean by the pigmentation.
yeah. So you can't put filler up here,
Yeah.
right? So it has to be below the
Yep.
bone. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So, put a little bit over here. Yes.
You're so funny. You still have abs like laying down like this. Yes. I'm just like, oh my god.
I thought quarantine kind of took care of that.
That feel okay?
Mhm.
How'd it feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it doesn't
It's okay?
feel like
So
anything.
just
You're doing good. It doesn't even look like it is disturbing you at all.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
So how does it work? Like you make a little hole with the needle and then that allows you to...
and then we just put the cannula through. So it's not sharp, so it's not going to pierce through all the vessels.
Oh,
So that's,
okay.
it makes it a little bit safer than needle.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. You feeling okay?
Mhm.
Can you sit up for me?
Oh, it looks good.
I like that.
The hollow's gone, but you don't want to overfill it because within 2 weeks it's still
Wow.
going to heal and it's going to pull water.
Okay.
So you don't want to be puffy,
Yeah.
right? So you never want to fill the under eye because the skin is really thin there.
Mhm.
And then like within the 2 weeks, like this is 80% of the result. In the 2 weeks you'll get like 20 more.
Okay. Nice.
It makes a difference, though. I see it.
It does.
Yay!
I feel like it almost defines like your cheekbone a little bit too. Does it? Like here?
Does it?
I don't know.
She already has like this.
Do a smudge.
still a little bit of a hollow.
Yeah, that's not a problem that I have. I'm glad you can see that.
We're done.
Thank you so
Good
much.
job. Looks good.
Oh my god, I haven't even seen it. But from what I can see on the camera, it looks good.
Why isn't this one coming off?
I do have like a little red dot somewhere, so that might be it.
Oh, this one right here? Probably, right?
Yep.
Okay. I was like trying to wipe it off. Like,
Why is it
I was
not
like, what? I didn't
Oh.
know there was. Okay, so so post care,
Mhm.
try to avoid smiling a lot because you don't want to.
Oh, okay. That's gonna be hard. Now that you say it, I'm like, oh my god. Okay.
The filler is still healing within the 2 weeks. It's still movable.
Okay.
So you want to avoid putting pressure to that area.
All right.
Okay.
So like no makeup and stuff.
No, you can put on makeup. Like within 24 hours, you can put on makeup. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But don't
So,
like wipe it off
yeah.
like.
So swelling can last about 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
But because it's like the skin is so thin there, it can last to 2 full weeks.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Some
fine.
people get swelling, some people don't. But you want to avoid Advil, ibuprofen, Motrin
Okay.
for about 3 to 5 days. And then also you want to avoid drinking alcohol and going to the gym
Okay.
for about 3 to 5 days as well.
Awesome.
Okay.
I mean, I can definitely do that. Not go to the gym.
Okay,
Yep.
let me give you one last.
Sorry, I
massage.
keep smiling. I'm like,
Like you can smile, but I just like it pushed.
not
You
too
know,
hard.
like
Yeah. Wow. Even just doing this, I can see it already. Oh my gosh.
Looks so good. You're wearing no makeup, right?
Yeah. I need to stop smiling. This is gonna be hard.
The hollow's gone.
I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
It's very subtle though.
No, I can
but
see
you don't
it.
want to overfill it because,
No,
like
no,
I
no.
said, it's gonna within the 2 weeks. It's gonna draw water, so it's gonna be a little. It's gonna fill it a little bit more as well.
This is what I look like when I wear concealer. This is what I look like. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Oh my
no
gosh.
problem.
Cool. Yay! Alright guys, so I just got home, so now we have a little bit more time to talk, and I just want to say something very quickly. That just by making this video, I'm not promoting or incentivizing anyone to get anything done that they don't want to get done. I'm not promoting this as something that you need or anything like that. I just wanted to share my experience and my story. And if you guys decide to get it done as well, that's on you. That's your own choice. It's your own body. You get to do whatever you want with it. But please be open-minded and just enjoy the video. And I also wanted to say that this is not something new. Like, I didn't just wake up last week, looked at myself in the mirror, and I was like, oh my god, what is this? I need to fix it. And just went and got it fixed. No, this has been an issue for me since I was very little. I just got pretty bad under eyes because of my dad, or my dad's side of the family. It wasn't like too bad, but since I was little, that has always been like my #1 insecurity. So listen, if there's a way I can get it fixed, why would I not do it? I remember that I wasn't allowed to wear any makeup until I was 15. And literally the day I turned 15, I started wearing makeup. And like, as soon as I started, I just didn't stop. Every single day I would wear makeup. And when I got to high school, I remember I used to wear makeup every single day. And whenever I didn't want to wear makeup, those days people would always ask, are you okay? Are you sick? Do you feel well? And I'm like, yes, this is my face. This is just what I look like without makeup. Why you guys gotta make me feel bad about it? I don't know. I just had this insecurity. There was a way to fix it. It wasn't gonna change my appearance. Like, I literally looked the same, just more awake. So I did it. If you guys want to judge me for that, that's fine. But personally, I'm really happy. I love the results. It looks great. Like, I'm really just happy with my decision. I feel like it helped with my confidence, with my self-esteem. As long as you feel good about yourself and the decisions that you make, that's all that really matters. The one thing I don't really agree with is changing yourself to please other people. Like, don't get something done just because you saw it on social media or a magazine or something like that. Do it because you want to do it for yourself. Like me with this issue, like I've had it since I was little, and back then social media wasn't even a thing. So no, that's not why I did it. I did it for myself, and that is it. That's it. But yeah, I'm so happy with the results. I'm gonna show you guys a little close-up. Okay, so it's been exactly 3 hours since I got everything done, and all you can see is just these 2 little dots, which is where the needles went in. Other than that, you can't really see anything else. There's no bruising, there's no like marks or anything. I don't know about tomorrow, but right now there isn't literally anything. I feel like to some people this is not like very noticeable, and that's okay. But to me, I can see it. It's very noticeable to me. But they also told me that today I can only see 80% of the final results. So I don't know, we still have to wait and see. But yeah, if this is only 80%, I'm very excited to see what 100% is gonna look like. I just can't stop looking at myself right now. It looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I just can't wait for this to heal completely and put makeup on and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is only the first day. Actually, not even, just the first few hours. So I'm gonna come back in a few days to update you guys. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so it's been 3 days and this is what my under eyes look like. I think they did a great job. They look amazing in my opinion. Like before, I needed to wear at least 1 layer of concealer to be able to look like this, and right now I have nothing on. It's only my eyebrows, and what? This is crazy. This is amazing. I'm so obsessed with the results, but I also know that they're not completely healed yet. I still have to wait at least 2 more weeks, like a week and a half, to see the final results. But so far I'm pretty pleased. So I would like to thank the ladies at the Clinica. Thank you so much for such a beautiful and pleasant experience. You guys are amazing. I love you all. You should definitely go follow them on Instagram. It's just at the Clinica. Oh yeah, and one more thing that I wanted to mention is that I just started editing this video and I started looking at the footage, and I realized that I kind of sounded a little bit ungrateful, and I seriously didn't mean that to happen. Like, I love myself. I've always loved myself. Even before I got my lips or my under eyes done, I've always loved myself. There's just like little things that I feel like would make me feel more confident and feel better about myself. So that's why I get these little things done. It's kind of like makeup. Like, I don't need makeup. I just like to wear it to look a little bit better. But it is very important to always love yourself just the way you are. And don't ever forget that. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!